Good morning, everybody. Happy Bath and Body Works Candle Day. The time is 7:39. I'm actually going to sit in my car for a couple minutes because at 7:40 every morning, or every 40 past the hour, this radio station has a code word to win a trip to Disney. And so Ben's like all hyped up when he hears this commercial. So I always sit in the car, and they sometimes play it like a couple minutes after, so I have the song on like one thing so I can hear it. My mall, I was watching some people, I see people saying they're sitting in line forever. There's only one entrance to the mall open right now, and it's actually not that bad. My store opened at 6 a.m. It is now 7:40, so I know the line pretty much kind of died down a little bit. I do have a list of all the candles that I want to get. I still don't know how many I'm going to get, but in the past, they've usually sent us a $10 coupon, a 10 off of 30 on an email, and I never got that. So if you guys got it, awesome. But my mother-in-law actually gave me some coupons, which I'm jealous. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in the store. I'm gonna show you guys, if I can, how crazy it is, and then I'm gonna go to Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna try to go to DSW because it's right across the street. But yeah, so let's get shopping. Okay guys, so I'm in the mall right now. It is dead as heck in here. It's pretty much just older people and mall walkers. So we're gonna see where we're at around the corner. I have a stick, but I'm gonna probably take it off the stick and just have my camera. So I'm excited. I hope I don't have to spend so long in the line. Oh, they got really cool bags. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so it is not busy here at all. It's actually pretty dead. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm getting 14 candles, so yes, but the lines are not that long at all. Okay, you guys, so I am done with Bath and Body Works. I was like in and out probably within like 20 minutes. I kind of just took my sweet time. But now I'm going to run to Target real quick because I got to return something that they overcharged me for Black Friday. And then I'm going to try to get it to DSW at 9 o'clock. And then I'm going to come back to the mall and use my coupon. So I am doing excellent on time, you guys. So let's go back in the cold weather. Okay, you guys, so I just went to Target, returned stuff because they overcharged me for Black Friday, so I got that done. I am now at DSW. My store opens in 23 minutes. There's about, I don't know, 10 people in the parking lot. So I think I'm going to just sit here and chill, and then I'm going to wait at the door, because now it looks like I'm guaranteed my $15 gift card. That's a free pair of shoes for Charlotte or somebody, so I'm just excited, you guys. Like, this is exciting. Graham's like, why are you running all over the place? Well, first of all, Saturdays are the best days to get stuff. Second, well, usually with like around Christmas time, the best days are Saturday. Second, I'm kid free, so like it's nice to get stuff done. So, but yeah, I don't know. It's like I got 13 minutes until I have to go to the door. 23 minutes, but it's almost time to hear my word of the my thing for the contest again. So I think I'm gonna do that, and I think I'm just gonna stand outside at like 8:50. Let's do that, Jennifer. Let's just do that because the people are lining up. So yeah. Okay, you guys. So I am done with DSW. I was like the 10th person in the store. They're by the time I like walked out, they were pretty much done with the gift cards, so that was kind of cool. I ended up getting Miss Charlotte a pair of glittery shoes that she can wear, which is just a little bit older. I always shop on the clearance rack, and I always buy like stuff ahead of time, so I ended up getting some really cute like unicorn glitter shoes for her. I paid $3.45 for them, so it was awesome. I was gonna go to Victoria's Secret, but the mall doesn't open till 10, and it was like 9 o'clock, and I'm like, I'm not stalling any more longer, so I'm like, I'm gonna go home. So I filmed my Bath & Body Works video. I am trying a new editing program because I need a new computer, so I have my editing program that I use now sucks, like big time. You guys do not see the frustration that I have. Like, it shuts my computer off all the time. It freezes. It just messes it up. So I'm trying to get used to a new editing program so I can start, you know, doing different videos. But right now I am at the chiropractor. I'm a little bit early because I'm a dork like that. So I'm going to go there and get my tailbone fixed. And then I'm just going to still just chill at home for the rest of the day. I got to get some pickle wraps made. I'm going to do a saran wrap game, so I got to get some stuff like that. I'm going to make some, yeah, so I got like 6 hours to do some stuff, maybe lay down and take a nap, but we'll see. And I also have to prepare for couponing tomorrow because my friends will be staying like super late. Sorry, there's like this person like just, they're digging through the dumpster. Oh my god, I never seen a dumpster diver before because it's like illegal in the state of Wisconsin. Like, or no, he's dumping something. Look at this. I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh, he's dumping an office chair in the dumpster. But he has like plastic gloves on. Yeah. So, that's interesting. Just dump it at a random dumpster. So yeah, I am going to just go to my chiropractor and then just clean up. So I'll show you guys what we all look like later tonight and how the house looks like. And thank you guys for all the kind words. I'm really loving your guys' nice comments. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so we are cleaning. Charlotte is sleeping awesome. She's been sleeping for almost 2 hours now, so we're getting a lot of stuff done. We have yet to do the advent calendars today because I was out and it's okay. So Ben wants to do the book. So today is day 7. Yep. Yep.
No.
What do we got? Sorry, you guys, my kid doesn't like wearing pants. What is that?
Moana.
Let me see it. Moana.
Make way.
Make way. Moana. Okay, let's find chocolate number 7. I found it right here. I'm going to open just a little bit for you. We can put that back in a second, honey.
Huh?
Did you get something good? Do you want me to help you? Do you need help? You got it? What is it?
A pig.
A pig? Oh, it's ham, isn't it? Let me see. Yeah, it's ham. I bet your daddy would eat it. Okay, so now we're going to go open Thomas. I'll wait, let Ben go give that to daddy, and I'm opening number 7 for me today. Okay, hold on, honey. Ooh, I see something cool. What is this? It's metallic. Ooh, eyeshadow, you guys. It's metallic eyeshadow. I love this color. I'm excited to wear it. So, yes. Now we're going to find number 7. Where's number 7, honey? There you go. What is that?
Toby.
It's Toby? Ooh, it's a Christmas one again? Man, they're really popping out the Christmas ones. Ooh, he looks delicious.
It's not.
So we got that, and he's number 7 with the cool wheels, and there's lollipops. Hold on. It doesn't say Toby's name on it, but he looks like Toby. Super cute. This is the 4th Christmas one, and they said that there is 6. So hopefully there's some really cool ones, but I think that one's my favorite out of the Christmas ones. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys what we got done so far. Graham's just rolling his eyes at me because I can see him in the mirror. Yeah. I got the table cleared off, you guys. We got it wiped down. I'm going to put,
And we got the table wiped down.
Yep. I got this to put on the table, and then I'm going to start putting all these random plates. Like, you guys, I have so much random plates and stuff that I've just keep collecting throughout the years. Like, this is a bag of stuff that I've had every single Christmas. This is our 11th annual Ugly Sweater Party. So we've had this party for 11 years, and I've just keep collecting plates. And I got plates after plates after plates.
And we got some cups.
Yeah, so today I am just going to put different kinds of plates out depending on
Christmas tree up.
depending on what people want. I got a randomness of cups, so they can have that. And then I got
some Doritos.
Yep, we got Doritos. I got a randomness of silverware.
Daddy's chocolate.
Daddy's chocolate. I got just randomnesses of everything. There's more right there. I got to load the dishwasher.
And we got some more baby food.
More baby food. But yeah, I'm just making it. all random because you know what? It's an ugly sweater party, so let's make it tacky with the decorations. Yes, I just thought of it. That's kind of cool. So, yeah, so we're going to pick this up in just a second. We're doing a little bit better with this area. It's just non-stop. Graham's just chillaxing. We're going to move this table against the window because we always take a group photo of everybody. I always like to see who's been at our party. We have one friend that's been, this is our 11th year having it. We've had one friend that has been to every single one of our parties. One friend. Half the people.
Every friend is my friend?
Yeah, every friend's your friend. Out of half the people that been to our parties in the past, we either lost touch with them or we're no longer friends with them. Kind of sad, but that's okay. You know, we still have the memories.
They're not when Anna and Asher be, they're rude to me.
His friends are rude to him.
Well, only one friend is one to them. It's Anna and Asher. They're rude at me at McDonald's.
They're rude at McDonald's, you guys. McDonald's. Hey, can you tell people how you say Capri Sun?
Capri Sun.
Oh. He always says pre-sun. Can I have a pre-sun? It's like, oh, pre-sun. So, yeah, we're going to continue picking up this, and then we're ready for the party, you guys. Ready, ready, ready. Yeah, so if you guys haven't checked out... Party in the elevator. So, yeah, we're going to...
so much fun.
Yeah, so we have got this, you guys.
Party in the elevator.
Yeah, we watch FGTV Family a lot.
FGTV, be
Okay, you guys. So, yeah, so I'll show you guys when we have... We'll show you guys what we look like with our outfits on.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Okay, you hold it again with two hands.
Let me show everybody what you're making.
Yeah, a ball.
What kind of ball is it?
A name ball.
A name ball? You know what it's in there? Pieces of paper, and people try to get the pieces of paper by rolling a pair of dice or whatever, and then if they win, they get a prize from Mommy's stockpile.
Where?
Like they'll get this toothpaste right here if they win. So Graham's rolling it. We got 2 more rolls to roll it. We make it a good fun game. It's about 20 minutes is how long it takes. Okay, you guys, so my party starts in about 15 minutes. I have to get dressed still, but I am making my pickle wraps. Now, if you guys want to see how I make them, I actually had a video that I show it. All it is tortilla, cream cheese, ham. I just use regular ham slices, and then it's pickles. So that's what I do. And then I'm also making a cheese dip. Well, there's Velveeta. There's Velveeta, like a big block of Velveeta cheese. I chop that off. I put a can of Rotel in it, and then I put a pound of hamburger, and then whatever cheese I have left, I actually put it in there. So like I had some taco cheese, so I just put it in there. You don't want to use a lot of this regular cheese because it sticks and burns to the thing. So that's what I do. I'm going to check and see what other cheese I can just throw in there. Tastes just as good. And then I always like making punch. I do 7-Up and Hawaiian Punch, and then I just put it in this little dispenser, and then, you know, pretty easy. Table's pretty much all set. We got the game here that we're going to play. There is some $2 bills in there. There's a piece of paper. So basically there's that, and they got pretzels, and we got some cookies and some chips. So we're getting everything all prepared, you guys. So yes, Miss Charlotte's playing with Graham. But you guys, like, this place is clean. Look at it. Wow. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing tonight, and that is awesome.
It's fine. Oh, great. Okay. Get it away. Get it away.
Who cheated?
No one cheated.
Nobody's cheating, little man.
Now you got it.
Roll face is in couch.
Okay, go.
Having a movie theater in the room with my friends.
Okay.
So
Okay, you guys, so it is 9:54 p.m. Our friends just left about 20 minutes ago. I forgot to show you guys my outfit. I got my cool little leggings on with lights, and then my little sweater. My outfit doesn't really match, but that's the point. It's kind of tacky, it's kind of cool, it's kind of ugly. But yeah, we had a good time. We played the saran wrap game. I gave everybody personal care products. They liked it. But my house is a little bit of a mess, but I'm not going to worry about it till tomorrow. I'm just tired. I got to prepare for couponing tomorrow. I really don't want to go, but I need to because I'll have extra care bucks that are expiring. I lost some of my inserts that I had. I got to find my Walgreens, you know, register rewards. So it's kind of a crazy day. We're watching the Wisconsin Badger game right now. Yeah, so probably going to go to bed within the next half an hour. And then I have to prepare for couponing, go couponing, and then be back in time to go watch a movie. So we'll see how it goes. But I had a good day today, you guys. But now I'm just slowly draining, slowly getting tired. But thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.